to. Hello guys, we have to make the comic now. Let's show you. And then
don't show them for me. Because I'm showing you that.
And then guys, this is what we made here. Comic. And we give this to our lucky subscriber.
And this is the giveaway.
This is a giveaway to one of our lucky subscribers. Don't worry, we're gonna print more. Even though I give someone but not you, but you'll still get the comic. We're gonna print more. Before we give someone to this lucky subscriber, we're gonna print more for all of you guys.
You know, Tiara found our YouTube channel. She found it on the shorts.